How to deactivate your Instagram account without having to wait for a week. Well, let's take a look at it. The first thing you want to do is you want to navigate to your Instagram application. Then here, simply you want to navigate to your profile, tap on these three lines in the top right corner and click on settings. Then you want to click on accounts and scroll all the way to the bottom. Here you'll find this button says delete account. So tap on this and you have now two options. You can either deactivate accounts, which will deactivate your account, which means that your profile, photos, comments, and likes will be hidden until you enable it by logging back in. And the second option is deleting your account, right? So this is going to permanently delete everything on your account. So if you click delete on your account, continue deleting account, this will take you to the Instagram page here. However, what you need to know is that even after deleting your account, Instagram will store all of your account details for another month. So if for whatever reason you want to come back onto Instagram and reactivate your account, then you will be able to do it within 1 month. So after you re-enter your password and click delete, it will delete your account. However, you will be able to get it back within 1 month. Now, this is how you deactivate your Instagram account without having to wait for a week. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful.